Hello, this is Josh with Total PC again. This is just my Christmas decoration video. First one I've put together. I hope you like it. Hopefully it gives you some ideas. In the last video I did with Martin discussing twinkly lights, I was hoping to get my mounting equipment, some more of it put together that I could show you. I didn't get around in time to be able to make a video to really help anybody. If I do eventually start putting together more of that mounting equipment, eventually I will. I'll certainly record it and show you exactly what I do. But I do go into detail, and hopefully it's enough to help anybody that's interested in making something similar. If you've got any questions at all, please do ask. I'd be happy to help. But yeah, as you can see, I still got some Christmas stuff. Actually, check that out. I just got myself an early Christmas present. So no more using this janky lighting I got. Got some key light airs by Elgato and some light strips too, so looking forward to putting those together. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you everything I did decorating the house this year, and like I said, go into a little detail on the mounting equipment, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Another Christmas. Here we go. Ever since I can remember, 25th of December, I have to punch a clock and work till I'm half dead. So I told
All right, we're here at Home Depot. Gonna check it out and see what kind of Christmas stuff they got, and maybe get some extension cords and stuff that I need. So here we go.
I ain't working on Christmas this year. No, I'd rather be with my family than here. Well, I worked all day Black Friday.
Alright, so I got two of these star showers, and it almost fills up the house, so I got a third one. Only 25 bucks. They used to be like 50. That's a good deal. Actually, double check that. Star shower. Yeah, 25 bucks. So good deal. And 3-pack of extension cords. I was running a little low, and if you guys don't use these are like reusable zip ties, gear ties. A little expensive, but being able to reuse them over and over is real nice. So, all right, let's head back home and get started.
Wife and children, this year's gonna be different. Instead of punching that clock, I'm gonna punch my boss instead. 'cause I ain't working on Christmas this year. No, I'd rather be with my family than here. Well, I worked all day Black Friday, but this Christmas is gonna be my day. No, I ain't working on Christmas this year. My boss tells me I gotta work, so I tell him he's such a jerk. 'Cause I told him months ago and I made it clear. So he says don't be coming back. So I says catch you later, Jack.
All right, get some Christmas stuff down. This here, this is all the pipe I have left over that I didn't get to last year. So that'll be coming down eventually. Right now I'm just gonna get the start of the lights that I already have set up, get those installed, get the other Christmas decorations down. Gotta have the Christmas wiener. Sorry. Sorry I bumped you there.
And I ain't working on Christmas next year. No, I'd rather be with my family right here. Well, the hours and pay are crappy, so I'd rather be broke and happy. No, I ain't working on Christmas next year. And all my friends and family, we all stayed home so happily.
Save a trip.
No one worked on Christmas, not even store clerks worked on Christmas, not even truck drivers worked on Christmas, not even waitresses worked on Christmas. No, we all stayed home on Christmas this year. Except for Santa Claus, but he only works one day a year anyway.
Can't forget the wiener dog. Looks like it might rain soon. I'm hoping I can at least get this stuff I pulled out. The stuff I've already got pre-made for the twinkly lights. Hopefully I can get that stuff up before it rains. That's my goal today, but not sure if you can see it. It's looking kind of dark back there. So unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to make any new ones in a reasonable time anyway. Probably if I do make any, it's going to be too late for anybody to make use of it. So I wanted to just take a couple minutes to show you what I did do with last year's. So there's the roof line you see, and there's two types. There's this, which is just little hooks. I don't know if you can see that there. It's just a little hook, and that's connecting to the gutters. And then over here, up along where there's not the drain, it's just these little broom hooks. And I'll place links if I can find them still. They're just several hooks, and I've got at least 3 pieces. 3 of those clips for each bar, each pipe. So that's the one type. It's just 3/4 inch PVC, and then I use 2 zip ties. 2 zip ties to hold down the position, and those are movable so you can adjust the lights as needed, which you can see some of those are crooked, but I did take a little time straightening out the ones here. So all along the roof line, it's just the same 3/4 inch PVC pipe and the same method of attaching the lights, just 2 zip ties for each light, and they're spaced evenly apart, and those zip ties allow you to just move it a little bit when needed. And it's not so much to where if the pipe falls that it damages, they can still move. But as for the window was made a little differently. So this is 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe, and these 2 windows are identical in size. So what I did is I measured the window, cut out the PVC pipe, and then I assembled one corner first and just made sure it fit well, because I didn't want to make the full square just in case I had to be adjusted first. But once I got everything sized up, and then I welded the PVC pipe, and then very carefully I used my table saw to saw it in half. And then with the 2 half pieces, I just evenly measured the spacing and just did a drill, used a drill bit to drill holes in each of them. And this one over here is a little easier to see. And all I did was use smaller zip ties for this one. I used a small zip tie, one on the back and one on the front. And that keeps it in place really well. These ones, I don't have to adjust at all with the LED, mostly, you know, being protected by the PVC there. It's pretty hardy. That's not going to be falling down as easily as these might. These, I'm thinking maybe next year I might put like a little hole just so I can zip tie the clips right there, because right now all that's supporting that is gravity. So definitely don't want that. One of those falls down, pretty much the whole thing will fall down. And just 3 clips is holding each pipe. And then I think the only other thing I want to mention is in between each section of pipe I place a zip tie. And all that's for is just so the zip tie, if, you know, when folding these up, storing them, the zip tie there is just to give it that support. So that way the wire's not taking the brunt of pulling and such. So I think that's it for this year, at least for YouTube. But if I do get around to making any more pieces, I really do want to get the roof line on the 2nd floor done next, along with probably the left and right windows. Those two are the same size, so you can pretty much do 2 of those at once. But I think that's it for now, and I'll go ahead and get a couple shots at night, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you got any questions about the mounting I did, do ask below. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. But I really appreciate you stopping by.